Uncle Mark here, just a quick video here. My buddy JT will put up a link here to his channel. Really good Dodge mechanic. All panicking because we don't have a Harbor Freight here. What's the other place called? Northern? I said, don't worry. He wanted me, he says, go up to your Parliament Hill or whatever and go see your Prime Minister and make sure we get one. So we've got something called Princess Auto. Not a sponsor, by the way. Although if you want to be a sponsor, Princess Auto, check me up in the About section there. Get a hold of me. Anyway, I'll show you what's in there. They were missing a couple things. Let's take a look. See what you think, JT. Well, here we are. Let's go inside. I'm sure it's just like a Harbor Freight or a Northern, which we don't have here in Canada, but we've got Princess Auto, and I'm sure it's the same kind of stuff. Let's take a quick little look-see. Oh, it looks like a bunch of pressure washers sitting outside. Ooh, a little bit fast there. Some compressors, smaller ones. Oh, hand station there for whatever. So we go inside. Ooh, there's the catalog there, the latest one. Flyer, but I don't really need anything. I don't want to be tempted. Let's just go inside, see what we find. There's always something kicking around. Actually, I'm returning something. I bought the wrong size or whatever. They'll take her back. They're not satisfied till I'm satisfied. Either that or I'm just a pain in the butt. Anyway, let's take a look here. See, they got all sorts of body shop supplies, some Bondo stuff, the actual Bondo 3M brand, huh? $11 for those patches. Don't really know if it should be an okay deal, I would think. Some wrench or pliers for rat hoses, probably. What do you got on this side? Stethoscope. Well, that's a rat hose plier, the one with the red one. Tools, typical stuff. Multimeters. Little digital one, $25. They've had them cheaper. Well, it's got some okay leads on it. I don't really need one of those right now. They'll be on sale one day. Oh, multimeter, but it's analog. Those are good for testing capacitors, if I knew how to test the capacitor when I was working on my trailer. Oh, nice big compressor. It looks like an 80-gallon. It's a 2-stage. And this is actually a brand name one. Where's the brand here? I've seen it. Ingersoll Rand. Made in the good old US of A. And a bunch of other different brands. Usually have a lot smaller ones too. You need a pretty big garage for that. Nut drivers, screwdrivers, all sorts of stuff. They got a pretty good return policy, or if they break them, warranty. Got some wrenches here. Small ones, $7.50. That's 17 millimeter, I think. It's guaranteed. They go up to, ooh, this is a nice big one. I don't know what I'd do with it, so I won't buy it. 1 3/4 combination wrench. How much is that? $30. And like I say, it's like anywhere else. Stuff goes on sale, so when it's like $15 or something if you needed it. Looks like torque wrenches, more wrenches, wrenches. So what do you think? What do you think, JT? Are we hurting here? Are you saying I should go talk to the Prime Minister or something? I'd get a Harbor Freight in, but I said, nah, he won't really care. Starbit sockets. Oh, I could have used those when I was working on that little Dart, remember? I had to borrow some stuff and didn't have the right ones. That's not a bad price for the SA hex bits, but I think I would want to get the metric ones. Yeah. Oop, dropped it. Let's put her back. Yeah, this is all SAE size. Look around a little more. Oh, 3-ton floor jack. This looks like a nice one. And how much is that Canadian? $120 for a 3-ton. That's probably not a bad deal. And some more. What are these? The torque bits or whatever they are? Star bits. That's what they're called. They're on sale. I got some big sockets. That must be for like the big truck mechanics or something. That's a honking huge one. How big is that anyway? 2 3/4 inches. Ooh. $32. Don't need that either. Thank goodness. Of course, watch tomorrow. I'll need one. Should have bought it. That's what the wife would say. You couldn't build it for that price, right? What else we got here? Manifold gauge set, $100. Is that a good deal? I don't know. Oh, AC recharge. Usually they got scanners. I was going to show you some of them, and like the tire pressure sensor scanners. They didn't have really any toolboxes right now. This I think is a good deal. 1/2-inch click type torque wrench for $19. How can you go wrong? Great for, like, a guy starting out or a DIYer like me. How often are you going to use it? $18 Canadian. Well, that was our little look-see inside. A bunch of stuff they normally have, they didn't have this time. So I did this video for my buddy JT in the States there. He's all worried that, Canada doesn't have Harbor Freight, which, sometimes the cheaper tools can be a benefit. We do have Princess Auto. We've got some other places too. They're not a sponsor at this time, but I just wanted to let him know that, if I need some cheap tools, I can get some, although they're not very close to where we are. Although, I guess they do mail them out. Anyway, check out the channel if you haven't checked it out before. Give me the thumbs up. It can't hurt, right? You can subscribe down in the corner. I usually do repairs. Might be using some tools from these guys. And check out the channel anyway if you haven't before. I'll put a link up in the description here to my latest ones. Till next time, Uncle Mark saying bye-bye for now. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe. You'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. Uncle Mark here. Quick little video here. JT from Online Mechanics Help. Are we? So I don't know. They've got everything there. So what do you think So this is a special video, particularly. So I did this video for my buddy JT in Alabama. Where the heck is he? In Alabama?